Since the beginning of this year, the judges have also been covering the requirements for large areas. The new solar inverter PIKO CI can be used for commercial and open spaces. Two versions, 30 kilowatt and 50-60 kilowatt. The very high conversion efficiency ensures optimal yields and thus ensures efficiency. The special CI app enables easy and convenient commissioning on site. The protection class IP65 as well as the protection against overvoltages on the AC/DC side type 2 ensures safe operation. And the integrated KOSTAL Smart AC Switch replaces the external coupling switch and saves costs. Here is an overview of the most important product features. The IP65 certified housing as water dust protection is predestined for outdoor use. The PIKO CI has a cost-optimized 4-wire connection. Different number of MPP trackers depending on the model. 6 times DC in with 2 MPP trackers on the CI30, 10 times DC in with 4 MPP trackers for the CI50, 12 times DC in with 4 MPP trackers on the CI60. The inverter is capable for ripple control thanks to the integrated interface. The compatibility with external park regulators ensures a high degree of flexibility. And the 5-year KOSTAL Smart warranty is optionally available for the PIKO CI. So, always stay on the plus of the times with the PIKO CI from KOSTAL.